how to buy Joyless Boy token. So this token came under the symbol of JOBOY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 months ago and now increased by 91,000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trending number 4 in the Solana section on the screener. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and now you can open Phantom wallet. After that, as you can see, click here on swap. Now make sure to select this Solana token as you can see, and after that click here and now you can paste the token address in the search bar. Now as you can see, this also can click on it and now here you can type how much you want to buy like that. And now as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you can receive or you will be able to receive that token. So after that, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find here swap, click on it and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter or OKX provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy JOBOY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.